My name is Zach, and I like to backpack around the world. Good afternoon from Bartlett, Tennessee. Cheers. Tonight, I am going to a concert. Not in Nashville, not in St. Louis, not anywhere but my hometown. Here in Memphis, Tennessee, I am seeing Homesafe, Kayak Jones, Young Culture, and Keep Flying. So yet another night of pop punk. I'm glad that pop punk has made its way to Memphis, finally. I think I see somebody behind this bush. I'm not sure though. Let's go check it out. Hey buddy, you're handsome. He's relaxing behind that bush. He doesn't want to get out. It's kind of a beautiful day. It's not too cold, so I'll let him be. But for now, I'm about to go get some sushi with my grandfather and my Uncle Johnny. So let's get this video started. What is Paul Dunn doing? Oh man. Paul Dunn, stop banging that cornbread.
All right, buddy.
What are you doing, John?
Trying to get my freaking leg figured right.
Hope you get it figured out.
Yeah, trying to get it to go on my shoe right. What are you doing? Taking pictures of what? That's what he's taking pictures of. He's getting you in the videos. You see yourself in the videos.
Rock and roll sushi.
Zach, go ahead and rock and roll them. Here we go. Favorite show? Golly, really, it's not bad. I watched it some. It's not bad.
Oh, Lord. I've seen that never. I couldn't cut. That would irritate me. You know what? That irritates me.
Let's talk about COPPA, the Children's Online Protection Privacy Act. This was a law that went in place in 1998. I think it got finalized or whatever in 2000. Why are we hearing about it now? Well, because YouTube's fucked up. YouTube has been collecting data and cookies from children's type of videos and targeting them with personalized ads. YouTube got fined, I believe, like $142 million for violating this law. And now YouTube is forced to take it out on the creator now because, I mean, I don't think it's the creator's fault, whether it's made for kids content or not. I don't think you can place the blame on the creator with the fact of we don't choose how YouTube runs its algorithms or its cookies or its ads. We don't choose this shit. So it is YouTube's fault. YouTube is the one that fucked up. They paid the fine for it. Now they want to place that blame on the creators now. And for creators that violate this COPPA law, you can now be fined up to like $42,000 per video. And this law, this made for kids option now is like such a gray area, you know? If I do a travel vlog at Disney World, is it now made for kids content? If I do a travel vlog in Atlanta and I go to the Coca-Cola factory and the aquarium and whatever else there is to do in Atlanta, that might, Six Flags, is that going to be considered made for kids content? I mean, really, any content can be considered made for kids content. South Park type videos. If somebody wants to create an animation video, an adult animation video, like Stripperella with Pamela Anderson back in the day on Spike TV. Is that made for kids content? I wouldn't think so, but according to some videos I've been watching, it can be considered made for kids content. But it could be considered made for kids content because it appeals to the eyes of a child. So apparently, I don't know, the US government and YouTube think that they should now police the internet, police YouTube, police content creators. And I disagree with it. I think it's a very bad move. I think it's going to take a huge hit from creators. And I think it's going to take a hit from me. YouTube in 2020 and beyond is not going to be recognizable. It already isn't, but now it's really going to be. There is no more YouTube. There is no more YouTube. It's just tube. That's all it is. They do not care about their content creators anymore. When these kids make a YouTube account, they state that they're over the age of 13, which is considered not to be a kid anymore. How is it YouTube's fault? How is it my fault if a kid stumbles upon one of my videos and it gets considered to be a kid-friendly video, made for kids content, even though I cuss like a motherfucker? Yeah. I just bought this GoPro Hero 8 and I have the receipt right here. I bought it like 13 days ago. I think I have like one more day to be able to return it before I can't return it anymore and get my money back. So with that all being said, I think if this bird shuts up, I think I'm going to... You can follow me on Instagram. I will continue to travel like I always do. I've been traveling long before YouTube, long before I've been making videos, long before I've even watched travel content on YouTube. I've been traveling. So I'm going to keep traveling. You can follow my travels on Instagram. I'm going to go back to Best Buy, get $500 back for this camera and the batteries that I bought, and then maybe try to sell my GoPro Hero 7 as well. Try to get money off that, because I don't know. YouTube sucks. YouTube's the one that fucked up. That's all you can say about it. Alright, well, I just took my GoPro Hero 8 back to Best Buy. I got my $500 back. I don't want to quit doing YouTube videos. I actually do like doing YouTube videos. But my thinking is, I don't think this FTC or COPPA is going to come after a creator that does not monetize on YouTube. So, if I don't monetize on YouTube, I don't think I would have a problem, because I'm not in that sector, or I'm not an employee of YouTube, basically. You can't find somebody that isn't even accepting income from your website. I don't think the FTC, the government, or YouTube could come after me or fine me for having content that somehow might be made for kids, even though it's not, because I cuss way too much. But if I receive my income, my money from Cash App or Patreon, they can't come after me, because it would be like an outside thing, you know what I mean? So I will continue to do YouTube videos, but just as a hobby. I'm not going to overdo it. I'm not going to exert myself to make these videos. I'm just going to do what I do, and if you like it, you like it. If you don't, you don't. That's basically what it comes down to. Alright, well, anyways, I'm about to head down to the Growlers where the concert is tonight and enjoy my concert. I got this beer called Spacebird. It was not a good beer.
Yeah.